Hello friends, my name is CA Vinod Kumar Agarwal. I have also passed CPA exam from USA and I teach financial reporting, strategic financial management, accounts, advanced account, financial management and economics for finance. Today I am going to tell you about how to revise 1.5 days before the CA exam, that is between two papers you get 1.5 days. And that those 2 days or those 1.5 days are very crucial. If you use it properly, then it will really reflect in your mark sheet. Whatever you have studied for the whole year, they will be very useful only if you revise very properly during this 1.5 days of gap which you get between the two exams. So I'm going to give you some important tips. Hope this will be useful to you. So first of all, most of us have this feeling just before the exam. I also had the same feeling, even though I got rank in all the 3 exams of CA, second rank in foundation, 4th rank in inter and 24th rank in CA final. But I also had the same anxiety, same feeling. I used to feel that is I am not able to recollect any topic. Okay. When I look at the theory subjects, and audit subjects, I find that this provision of law, these chapters probably belong to some other planet. I have never studied also. But it is not the case. You have studied and somewhere it is stored in your memory. It won't matter how much you have studied before the exam if you don't revise it during those 1.5 days. So that is really crucial to get very good result. So what I will suggest, once your paper is over, come back home and not to discuss, very important, not to discuss with anyone about how your paper was. You can just say, okay, my paper was good. Don't sit down and start checking your answer with the institute answer after reaching your home. Whatever you have done is past. Now you have to concentrate on the next exam. After your exam is over around 5 o'clock, come back home and relax for a few hours. Relax for 2-3 hours. Don't worry, if you relax for 2-3 hours, you will be charged up for the next exam. Switch off all your social media completely. During your exam days, even I recommend 3 months before exam only, you switch off your all social media, no FB, no Insta, no YouTube, no whatever you use. Don't think that you can't revise completely. Many students have that fear that syllabus is so vast. How do I revise? If you have planned well in advance, you can revise the complete syllabus in 1.5 days. Start chapter wise revision, one by one, start revising. For theory subjects, you have prepared your own notes when you were preparing for the exam. So just go through your own notes. Whatever notes you have prepared, you have to go through it once. And if you prepare notes well in advance, you will find that revising in 1.5 days is not at all difficult. For practical questions, you may not be able to revise all practical questions, but you must have marked the important questions or the important adjustments, and you need to just go through those important questions and important adjustment that you have marked in your books. Just read your important question, which means while studying, make sure to mark your important questions. In my earlier videos also I said, when you are revising, keep marking the important question, important adjustment, highlight it, underline it, because now that will be useful 1.5 days before the exam. Once you reach the exam hall, be relaxed. That is the mantra of getting very good result, because if you are tense, if you are having anxiety issues, you will not be able to perform very well in the exam. So relax 1 hour or 2 hours before your exam starts. You relax. You have done everything. You can do it now. Okay, it is time to cool down so that the next 3 hours, which is the most important part of your examination system, the actual 3 hours, you can do it properly. So have confidence that you've studied everything. you know everything, and now you are ready to take the challenge of the exam. So you must relax some time before the exam starts so that you can perform well in the exam. My best wishes to everybody who is appearing in the coming exam. Thank you very much. Do well. See you. Bye bye.